one. Next concept 4. Okay. Next concept number 4. Concept number 4. Concept number 4. Now, concept number 4 is this is a positive plate. This is a negative plate. Negative plate. Now, this is a string. One end is connected here, another end is connected to both. This is a positive charge. This is a one more string. One end is connected here, another end is connected to another both. So we have to find out time period. We have to find out time period. Time period. Now you'll see direction of electric field is from positive to negative. Direction of electric field from positive to negative. This is a positive charge. This is a positive plate. This positive plate will repel to this positive charge is a downward direction. That is the electrostatic force here. Yeah. Now weight. This is this probe as mass m and weight as vertically downward direction. That is the W is equal to EMC. W is equal to EMC. This is a string. The string having tension. This is a tension. This is away from the bob. Away from the bob. Now, so finally, this is a bob is at rest. Bob is at rest, and bob is at equilibrium position. I'm going to write the equation. Upward force is equal to downward forces. Downward forces. That is a equation for this one. Now you will see this is a negative charge. This is a negative. So this negative will repel to this charge is upward direction. That is electrostatic force is upward direction. This bob as mass m and weight mg at vertically downward direction. This is a string. This is a string. This string having tension is a string. Tension is, but Q is at rest. Upward force is equal to downward forces. Upward forces plus is equal to downward forces. Downward forces. This is equation. Now T is equal to nothing but force. Force is equal to mg plus F means electrostatic force. Intensity of electric field is equal in force by charge, Q charge. Now you can write this is a F is equal to E2. E2. This is an electrostatic force. Electrostatic force. Now F means I'm going to write EQ. EQ. Now this is I'm going to write according to Newton's second law, F is equal to ma. A means acceleration to gravity. G effect I'm going to write. This is mg plus EQ. M take this side means G effective is equal mg by m plus EQ by m. Now mm cancel each other. G effective is equal to G plus or EQ by m. This is a equation. This is a for this one is I'm getting G effective is equal to what I'm going to write G minus EQ by already I explained to you. Now for this one T is equal to simple pendulum. T is equal to time period of simple pendulum. T is equal to 2 pi root of L by G. This is a simple pendulum formula. This is a G effective I'm right. T is equal to 2 pi root of L by what I'm going to write G effective means G effective G plus EQ by M. EQ by M I'm right. Now for this one T is equal to 2 pi root of L by G effective. G effective for this one. T is equal to 2 pi root of L by G effective means G minus EQ by M. EQ by M. Now for this one also F is equal to EQ. F is equal to EQ. According to Newton's second law, F is equal to ma is equal to EQ. A is equal to I'm going to write EQ by ML. EQ by ML. So EQ by M. Now this equation T is equal to, I'm going to write it T 2 pi root of L by G plus the EQ by M means I'm going to write acceleration. Acceleration. Now this is a T is equal to 2 pi root of L by G minus EQ by M means I'm going to write A. This is a time period of oscillation, time period of simple pendulum, This is a G plus A, this is a G minus A. G minus A is less value, time period is more. And the G plus A value is more, time period is less. Time period is less. For this is a time period positive charge, this is a negative charge. So time period is more is T negative is more than to T positive oscillation. That is your answer. That is a concept number 4. Concept number 4. Now we will see this one. Okay. So next concept. Praveen sir. That's right. You'll see more. This is a positive plate. This is a negative plate. This is a positive charge, negative charge. This weight acts vertically downward direction. This is a plate is positive plate. This positive plate will repel to this positive charge is downward direction. That is force, electric force. This is the tension. The charge is at rest. Upward force is equal to downward forces. Upward force is equal to downward forces. So I'm getting G effective this value. Now this is you see this is a bow as bottom. This weight acts vertically downward direction. This is a negative plate. This is a negative charge. This negative plate will repel to this negative charge is upward direction. Force is upward direction. And tension in the wire is a T. This minus Q is at rest means upward force is equal to downward forces. The Q is at rest. The Q is in equilibrium. Okay. Na? So here G effective is equal to G minus EQ by M. Do you know very well? T is equal to 5 root of L by G. This is a simple pendulum equation. Now G effective means G plus EQ by M. For this one, this is a positive charge, this is a negative charge. T is equal to 5 root of L by G effective. Now F is equal to EQ. According to Newton's second law, F is equal to MA. A is equal to EQ by M. Now this is a T is equal to 5 root of L by G plus EQ by M. A means you can write EQ by M and G plus A. Now T is equal to 5 root of L by G minus EQ by M means T is equal to 5 root of L by G minus A means now what I'm going to write here G minus A. A means EQ by M means A. Next concept. Next concept. So this is positive plate. This is a negative plate. Negative plate. This is a spring mass system. Spring mass system. So what is the time period of spring mass system? Time period of spring mass system. So T is equal to T dash. Spring mass system does not depend upon spring mass system. For example, this is a spring mass. This is a spring mass system. Suppose, for example, this is a spring mass system. This is here. Now keep here and pull this block downward direction and release it. What will happen? It moves upward direction. It moves upward direction. We have to calculate time period of spring mass system. Spring mass system, that is the value T. Okay, this is a rigid body. This is a rigid body. One end of the spring is connected to rigid body. Another end of the spring is connected to block of M. This is we call equilibrium position. Equilibrium position. Now, just we have to hold. So we hold this block and so we pull block is downward direction. Then release. Then release it. What will happen? It move up and down. It goes up and down, and it completes a simple harmonic motion. Completes a two-and-fro motion. And I guess I say it completed a simple harmonic motion. What will happen? Finally, it will come to rest. But we have to find out the time period of spring mass system is T. Spring mass system is T. This system is placed in a positive plate and a negative plate. Electric field is from positive to negative. But what is the time period of this one? Means this is the time period is T dash. But here this is a spring mass system is in outside the field. But here spring mass system is inside the field. But the time period is T dash here. Here time period is T dash, but the time period here is T. Both time period is equal. Both are time period is equal. The reason is, what is the reason? Reason is what is the reason? Reason is spring mass system. Spring mass system. Mass system does not depend on the electric force. On the electric force. Electric force. So electric force means this is a electric field. This is a positive plate. This is a negative plate. This is a spring mass system. Spring mass system. Spring mass system. Spring mass system does not depend upon the electric force. Now, your time period here also, time period both are equal. Both are equal. That is all. I'm checking here. This is a chart is I'm taking this is a positive charge here. This is a positive charge and mass is M. Mass is M. Now you see. This is a positive plate. This is a negative plate. Direction of electric field is from positive to negative. And this is a spring mass system. Spring mass system. Spring mass system. This is a positive plate. Will repel to this is positive charge is downward direction. This is a downward direction. This is a positive plate. This is a negative plate. Direction of electric field from positive to negative. Positive to negative. Next, this is a spring. One end is connected to here. Another end is connected to block mass M. Charge is positive charge. Positive charge. Now, what will happen in this situation? This positive plate will repel to positive charges downward direction. The system is moves downward direction. Then this is a positive charge. Again, it is what will happen? This negative charge will attract to positive direction is downward direction. Downward direction. But here, spring mass system does not depend upon the electric force. Electric force does not depend. That's why time period is does not change. time period of spring mass system is does not change. It does not change. That is the does not change. Next concept. Concept number 5. Concept number 5. So projectile in an electric field. Projectile in electric field. Projectile in a electric field. Electric field. See, you learned this is a projectile motion in a first step. This is the axis. This is the origin point. I'm taking the positive charge. This is a small particle. The particle has a mass m. Charge having a positive. And this is the projectile with a velocity is u. And it moves in a parabola shape. And striking, finally, striking at this point. Striking this point. So this is making angle theta. This is a y-axis. This is a x-axis. This is a x-axis. We know. So we calculated what we calculated height. What we calculated height. Height is equal to u squared sine squared theta by 2z. This is the height. Range means what is the range? R is equal to u squared sine 2 theta by g. Time of flight is equal to 2u sin theta by 2u sin theta by g. We calculated this. They calculated this. Now, I'm taking first case number 1. Case number 1. Case number 1, first case. First case, charge is positive. If positive charge is positive. So electric field is, I'm taking, suppose electric field is upward direction. Electric field is upward direction. Now, electric field upward direction means this is a positive plate. This is a negative plate. Negative plate. Electric field is from positive to negative. This is the direction of electric field. Now I will see gravity also present. In this situation, gravity also present. Gravity. So gravity is always downward direction. Downward direction. This is the direction of electric field from positive to negative direction. This is a positive charge. This positive charge is moves upward direction. This is a positive plate. This positive plate will repel to the charges in upward direction. Acceleration of the charge particles in a upward direction. Upward direction. This is a positive plate. The charge, this positive charge is moves with a velocity u in this direction. Already this direction. Now this is a positive plate. This is a right plate. This positive plate will repel to the charges in a upward direction. Acceleration is upward direction. Now, so come to the point. So what is height? Height is equal to u squared sine square theta by 2g minus electric field is up means negative charge. Negative. You can take the negative. That is negative. Electric field is upward direction means you can take negative g minus a. We are calculating g minus a. G minus a. We are taking g minus a. Now next range means r is equal to u squared sine 2 theta by just g minus a. G minus a. G minus a. Next time period. Sorry, this is our time of flight. 2u sine theta by g. G means I'm taking this is a g minus a. Minus a. Electric field. This is a positive charge. Electric field is upward direction means you should take the negative. G minus a, G minus a, G minus a. Next case number 2. Case number 2. So case number 2, I'm taking the positive charge. That is positive charge, but electric field is a downward direction. Electric field is a downward direction means this is a positive plate. This is a negative plate. Direction of electric field is from positive to negative. Positive to negative. The charge is projected in a upward direction with a velocity u. Velocity u. But this is a positive charge. This positive charge also repels this positive charge is downward direction. Acceleration is acceleration of the charge particle is downward direction. Gravity also downward direction. Downward direction. So this is electric field is downward direction means you can take the positive. Now I'm going to write H is equal to u square sin square theta by 2 into G plus A and 6. G plus A. Next to range R is equal to u square sin sin theta by G plus A and 6. Time of flight T is equal to 2u sin theta by G plus A and second G plus A and second. This is a case number 2. This is a case number 2. Next, case number 3. Case number 3. The case number 3, I'm taking, suppose negative charge. Negative charge. Electric field is upward direction. Upward direction. Upward direction. In this case, what will happen? Negative charge. This is a negative charge. Electric field is upward direction. Upward direction means this positive. This is a negative. This is positive, this is a negative. What will happen? Gravity always downward direction. Gravity is always downward direction. And acceleration of the charge particle. Acceleration of the charge particle. This is a positive plate. This positive plate will attract negative charges downward direction. Acceleration of the charge particle also downward direction. Acceleration of the charge particle is also downward direction. Now, how can you write this one? This one here. Positive charge means electric field is upward direction means negative. You can take the reverse. Here you can take the this of positive. Now positive means you can write all cases. Case number 2. Write all equations. Case number 2. Case number 2. Write all cases in case number 2. Height means you can write height means u squared sin squared theta by 2 into G plus A. Range means u squared sin 2 theta by G plus A. Time period is time of flight 2u sin theta by G plus A. G plus A. That is your equation. Case number. Case number 3. That is a case number 3. Next, case number 4. Case number 4. You see that? Case number 4. Case number 4. Case number 4. Case number 4 is negative charge. Electric field is downward direction. Gravity is always downward direction. Electric field is downward direction means this is electric field is downward direction means this is positive, this is a negative. But projected charge is negative charge. Negative charge is projected in space with a velocity is u, making angle theta is horizontal direction. But this is negative charge will repel to this negative charge in upward direction. Acceleration is in a upward direction. You will see the first case. Positive charge means electric field is up means negative. Okay. So in the second case, positive charge means electric field is downward direction. Positive charge, but you can take the opposite direction. This is you take the negative. You can take the negative. Now, H is equal to u squared sin squared theta by 2 into G minus A. Range is equal to u squared sin 2 theta by G minus A. T is equal to 2u sin theta by G minus A. G minus A. You can write it. This is all equation. You will see the first case. I'm going to explain. I recall all cases. Once again. This is a projected motion in a uniform electric field. Now you will see this is a axis. x-axis, y-axis. This is origin point. I'm taking the charge particle, positive charge particle. Charge particle. This charge particle is projected with a velocity u. This charge particle is projected with a velocity u in a space. It's making angle theta with a horizontal theta. This is the x-axis, y-axis. And this positive charge is projected with a velocity u, making angle theta. It strikes at this point. At this cycle, this point. Now I'm taking first case. Case number one. Case number one, electric field is upward direction. Now I'm taking, this is a plate. This is one more plate. This is a positive plate. This is a negative plate. Electric field is from upward direction. Upward direction means this is a, should be, take the positive. This is a negative plate. Negative plate. Electric field is from direction of electric field from positive to negative direction. Negative direction. You see, in this case, what will happen? Charge is positive. Positive charge is projected. Positive charge is projected in a space with a velocity u, making angle theta is making angle theta with a horizontal direction. Electric field is upward direction. Positive plate, negative field. Direction of electric field is from positive to negative. Direction of electric field. Now, this is the acceleration of the charge particle. Acceleration of the positive charge particle. Acceleration of the charge particle is upward direction or downward direction. We have to find out. How do we find out? Means this is a positive plate. This is a negative. This positive plate. This is a positive. Positive plate will repel to positive charges in upward direction. Acceleration of charge particle is in upward direction. Upward direction. This is a positive plate. This is a positive charge. So this already initially the charge is projected with a velocity u already. Again, this positive plate also will repel to the charges in upward direction. Upward direction. Acceleration. Finally, resultant acceleration. Acceleration of the charge particle is in a upward direction. Upward direction. Acceleration to gravity is always vertically downward direction. Downward direction. We know. At the same time, in this calculation, we calculated height, maximum height, range, time of flight. So this is all equations derived from this projected motion. Projected motion. We know the equation. Case number one, what I'm telling here, positive charge particle is projected in the space. Electric field is from upward direction. Acceleration of the charge particle also upward direction due to plate effect, and the gravity is downward direction. Positive charge electric field is upward direction means negative. You take the negative. Okay, G minus A, you will keep enough. Next case number two. This is a positive charge, but direction of electric field is this positive. Direction of electric field is downward direction. You can take like downward direction. So electric field is downward direction, but acceleration of the charge particle, this is a positive. This is also positive. This positive charge is projected with a velocity u in a space, but this is a positive plate. This positive plate will repel to this positive charge is downward direction. So what will happen? Deacceleration. What we call acceleration of the charge particle is downward direction. So this is a projected with a velocity u in upward direction, but this positive plate will repel to this positive charge is downward direction. This positive charge is finally it moves to downward direction. Acceleration of the charge particle is downward direction. Gravity also downward direction. And height is equal to u squared sine square theta by 2 into g plus k. Now, and direction of electric field downward direction means you should take the positive g plus a. H is equal to u square sine square theta into by 2 into g plus a. Range is equal to u square sine theta by g plus a. Time of flight is equal to u sine theta by g plus a. Now you take it. Next case number 3, I'm taking this is a negative charge particle. Negative charge particle is projected into the space with a velocity u, making angle theta with a horizontal direction. But direction of electric field is upward direction. Direction of electric field is upward direction means this is a positive, this is a negative. This is a negative. You will see acceleration to gravity always vertically downward direction, and so we negative charge, we consider negative charge. The direction of electric field is we consider, but what is the acceleration of the charge particle? Acceleration of the charge particle. This is a positive plate. Already the charge is projected with a u velocity. Minus q is initially it is moving upward direction. Whenever positive plate and negative plate is electric field is activated. Electric field is activated means this positive charge is attract. This positive plate will attract negative charges downward direction. Finally, this charge is moving downward direction. Downward direction. Acceleration of the charge particle is acceleration of the negative charge particle is downward direction. Acceleration is downward direction. Now we will see first case. First case electric field is up means positive charge electric field is up means negative, but a negative charge electric field is up means you can take the opposite. Now positive means D plus A, D plus A, D plus A you can take. Now case number 4, negative charge, direction of electric field is downward direction, positive, positive, positive. This is a negative. This is a negative. This is a negative. Okay, negative charge we consider and direction of electric field is we consider, but acceleration of the negative charge particle is this is a negative plate. This is a negative charge. Negative charge is initially projected with a space with a velocity u making angle theta. But negative charge, this is a negative plate. Negative plate will repel also in a upward direction. Acceleration of the negative charge is in a upward direction. Finally, it moves in a upward direction. Acceleration to gravity is downward direction. In case number 2, positive plate, positive charge, electric field is downward direction. You take the positive, but your negative charge electric field is down. That is positive means this is a negative. You can take G minus S, G minus S, G minus S. Now this is very important in your exam. This is a per second motion. Per second. Next case number 2. In all cases, acceleration means F is equal to EQ. According to Newton's second law, F is equal to ma is equal to EQ. EQ. A is equal to m take this side EQ by m. In all cases, this is the acceleration of the charge particle. In all cases, A should A taken as A is equal to EQ by m. In all cases. Now next one. So in projectile motion in a the next this is a dino. This is a tower. This is a charge particle. I mean charge particle is the mass particle. This particle is thrown with a velocity u, and it travels this direction. It travels this direction and strikes here. This is a projection point, striking point. From here to raise the range. From here to raise range. This is the height of the tower. Height of the tower. This is height of the tower. How much time taken to this body strike here? Strike here. We know that is S is equal to ut plus half a square now in y direction. Half a square. This is we are checking. This is S means displacement height. This is the initial velocity 0 plus half. A means dt square. Dt square. H is equal to half dt square. To take the side 2h by t. This is a t square. Square take the side to top 2h by g. 2h by g. This is a time. That is a time. This is a time taken by the particle travel from top of the tower to reach to the ground. Reach to the ground. T is equal to top 2h by g. 2h by g. In first case number 1. Case number 1. Case number 1. This is a y-axis. So case number 1. What is the case number one? Suppose I'm taking a positive charge particle. This is a positive charge particle. Positive charge particle, don't take. Okay. Positive charge particle, A is equal to E cube by, yeah, this is a charge particle. Acceleration of the charge particle. Acceleration of charge particle equation. Now, you can take this one, the next term. Say electric field is upward direction. Electric field is upward direction means this is, I'm taking the plate, first plate, this is a negative plate. Direction of electric field is from positive to negative. This is the direction of electric. This is a positive plate, positive charge. Positive charge is projected with a velocity u in a horizontal direction. Direction of electric field is from positive to negative in an upward direction. But what is the acceleration of the charge particle? Acceleration to gravity is always vertical direction. But this is A means acceleration of the positive charge particle in upward direction or downward direction. This is a positive plate. Actually, this is moving this direction at this point. This is a ux. This is a uy. This is a v u. This is a u. This is a making angle alpha. I'm considering in a horizontal direction. This is I'm considering only. I'm taking this situation in a vertical direction. Situation I'm taking now. Charge particle is moving vertical downward direction means a positive. This is a positive plate. This is a positive charge. This is a positive plate. This is a positive charge. At this place means I'm taking at this place means this positive charge will repel to this positive charge is in a upward direction. Acceleration is in a upward direction. Acceleration of the charge particle in a upward direction. Now we can write T is equal to root of 2h by electric field is up means you should take the positive. This is a negative. Now we can write a G minus A. That is your equation. G minus A your equation. G minus A your equation. Now you will see the case number 2. Charge particle is Q, electric field is down, G also down. Just we have to make simply direction of electric field. Charge is positive charge, but direction of electric field is downward direction. Downward direction means this is a positive plate. This is a negative plate. Direction of electric field is from positive to negative. This is the direction of electric field. Now I will see the charge particle is moving vertically downward. I don't consider this one. I don't take this one. I'm taking only at this situation. At this place, this is positive charge. This is a positive plate. This is a positive charge. This is a negative. Negative plate will attract positive charges downward direction. Positive plate will repel to positive charges downward direction. And the acceleration of the charge particle is in a downward direction. This is the electric field is a downward direction. You should take this is a positive. Electric field is a downward direction means positive. Now T is equal to root of 2h by G plus A. I am taking this is the case number 2. Next case number 3. Negative charge. Electric field is up. Acceleration is downward direction. Now I'm taking the direction of electric field is in a upward direction, but negative charge. At this place I'm taking negative charge. Direction of electric field is upward direction. Upward direction means this is a positive. This is a negative. Direction of electric field is from positive to negative. This is the direction of electric field is from positive to negative. This is a negative charge. Negative charge is projected with a velocity u in a horizontal direction. It moves. This is a x component. This is a y component. Only I'm considering in a vertical component. You see that vertical direction. direction. This is a negative charge. This is also negative. This negative will repel negative charges downward direction. Acceleration is downward direction. You take case number one. You see this is a negative charge. This is a negative means you should take this is a positive. Electric field is positive. Both are in opposite direction. Positive means electric field is up means negative. Negative charge means electric field is up means you take the positive. T is equal to root of 2h by g plus a arm second. Next case number 4. Case number 4. What happened? The negative charge electric field is down. Thus you should take negative. Acceleration to gravity is down. Your acceleration of the charge particle is upward direction. You will see that one. Direction of electric field is downward direction. Downward direction. This is a direction of electric field. Now this is a positive plate. This is a negative plate. Negative plate. Now you will see negative plate. Negative plate. This is the direction of electric field. Now you will see this is a negative charge. This negative plate will repel to negative charges in a upward direction. In a upward direction. Upward direction. Acceleration of the charge particle is a upward direction. Now T is equal to 2 this is a time is equal to 2h by g minus k. I'm going to write this is your equation. That is your equation. Next concept. And next, this is a plate, positive plate. This is a negative plate. Negative plate. Just plate or negative. This is a charge sphere. This sphere has mass m and charge is positive charge. Positive charge. This positive plate will repel to positive charges in upward direction. The direction of electric field is from positive to negative. Positive to negative. Positive to negative. So basic point. Basic point. For positive charge, electric field and parallel to the force, electric force, both are parallel to each other. Negative charge, electric field and anti-parallel to both are in opposite. Both are opposite. Opposite side, opposite. First plate, E and F bar both are same direction. Negative charge, E bar and F bar both are opposite direction. Opposite. Direction. Opposite direction. Opposite direction. Positive charge means electric field and force both are same direction. Negative charge means electric field and force both are in opposite direction. Opposite direction. Next, F is equal to EQ. Electric field is equal to force by Q. This is a Q is equal to Ne. This is a quantization of charge. What I explained to you in the previous class. Q is equal to Nu. N means integer or number of electrons. E means electron. Q means charge on the body. Charge on the body. This is a quantization of charge. Quantization of charge. Now, volume of the sphere. Volume of the sphere is 4 by third 5 R cube. 5 R cube. This is a volume of the sphere. Sphere. Volume of the sphere. This is a V is equal to 4 by third 5 R cube. 5 R cube. Density is equal to mass by volume. Mass by volume. So mass is equal to rho V. Mass is equal to rho V. This is a basic point. Density is called mass by volume. M is equal to rho V. Rho V. This is a basic point. Basic point. Now one more basic point is one more basic point is one more basic point. So this is a distance between two plates. D. ED is equal to, this is a negative potential. Negative potential. This is a positive potential. Positive potential. This is a positive potential minus negative potential because this is a voltage. ED is equal to V. ED is equal to E is equal to V by dR. This is a very, very important. Very, very important point. Basic point. Now we will see positive charge. Positive charge means electric field and force both are same direction. Negative charge means electric field, force both are in opposite direction. So intensity of electric field is equal to force by charge. Q is equal to Nu. This is the quantization of charge. Quantization of charge. This is the volume of the sphere. 4 by third 5 R cube. Density is equal to mass by volume. Mass is equal to rho V. Rho V. This is a relation between electric field and the distance. This is a voltage. Higher potential minus lower potential. We call that is a voltage. Higher potential minus lower potential gives voltage. This is an electric field. This is the distance between two plates. This is a voltage. Voltage. Electric field is equal to voltage by distance between the two plates. Distance between the two plates. That is a basic point. That is a basic point. Now you will see this is a. I consider one mass one bulb. The bulb has mass M. The bulb has charge Q. Charge is Q. Now we will see this is a positive charge. The electric field and force both are same direction. Electric field is at this direction. Force also same direction. Force also same direction. That is the force. Electric field and force both are same direction. Both are same direction. Electric field and force are both are same direction means this is electric field. This is a force. Both are same direction. This is a positive plate. This positive plate will repel to this positive charge in upward direction. Upward direction. The charge moves in a upward direction. So you can take like this. This bulb has a mass M and the weight acts vertically downward direction. Downward direction. This is F is a force. F acts vertically upward direction. Weight acts vertically downward direction. This MC pulls the bulb is downward direction. This is a force F. Force F pulls the bulb is in upward direction. Upward direction. This force is balanced by the MC. Force is balanced by the MC. Net force is equal to 0. Net force is equal to 0. Net force is equal to 0 means net force is equal to upward force minus lower force. Net force 0 means what will happen? F is equal to MC. F is equal to MC. We call this is a balancing force. Balancing force. Balancing force. Balancing force means net force is 0. The charge is does not move. The charge is rest position. The charge is rest position. F is equal to mg. F is equal to mg. F means electric force. Now F is equal to EQ. EQ. Next to mg. This is I'm taking mg. Now I'm going to write this is EQ is equal to mg. EQ is equal to mg. E is equal to Q means quantization. Quantization of the charge is equal to Q is equal to Ne. I'm writing N is equal to mg. N is equal to, I'm going to write this is mg by EE. I'm going to write this is N. N means integer. N means number of electrons. Number of electrons. Now you see the equation. Next, I'm taking this equation. This equation I'm writing here. EQ is equal to mc. EQ is equal to mc. E means I'm going to write electric field. So I'm going to write E is equal to V by D. E is equal to V by D. I'm going to write E is equal to, E means V by D, volt by distance. So VQ is equal to mg. V by D, Q is equal to, M means I'm going to write mass is equal to rho V, rho Vg, rho Vg. V by D, Q is equal to rho. V means what is the volume of the sphere? Volume of the sphere is 4 pi third 5 r cube. Okay, now 5 r cube and rho G. Rho G. This is your equation. This is your equation. Now we will see next one. I'm taking, so Q is equal to Ne is equal to mc. I'm taking this time. Now E is equal to Ne. This is M means I'm going to write rho Vg. Rho Vg. E is equal to Ne is equal to V rho G. V rho G. V means 4 by third 5 r cube rho G. Rho G. E Ne. I want to r cube. I'm going to write Ne 3 by 4 5 rho G. This is r cube. R is equal to Ne 3 by 4 5 rho G. 5 rho G. This is r cube. Take this side means 1 by third. 1 by third. 1 by third. This is 1. Now finally conclusion. So what is the conclusion? The conclusion is rho G. Rho G. Rho G. Now finally conclusion. So what is the conclusion? Here finally conclusion is what is the conclusion? Now I'm taking, so here, so this is V, this is R cube. I'm taking directly proportional. So V directly proportional R cube. I'm writing. This is E, this is R. I'm writing the E power of R cube. R cube. I'm writing. This is the next. I'm taking this is a VQ. The VQ directly proportional R cube. I'm writing. So this is ENE. Directly proportional R cube. I'm writing this is Q. EQ directly proportional R cube. This is your equation. This is your equation from the flow. Your equation. Now we will see the charge is in rest position. The charge is at rest. Rest means upward force is equal to downward force. The charge is balancing condition. This is upward force is equal to force is balanced by the mg. Force is balanced by the mg. The charge is at rest position. The charge is at rest position. F is equal to mg. F means EQ. mg. This is mg. Now you will see EQ is equal to mg. Q is the quantization of charges mg. N is equal to mg by E. Next, I'm taking the EQ. EQ is equal to mc. E is equal to V by D. V by D. E means V by D. V by D is equal to mg. V by D into Q is equal to M means density is equal to mass by volume, rho v g. So volume of the sphere is 4 by third pi r cube rho g, and this is one. E cube is equal to mg. E into Ne is equal to rho vg, b rho g. B means 4 by third pi r cube rho g, and R means E N E E E N E R. Okay, E N E 3 by 5 rho g 4 into whole power of 1 by 3. R is equal to, now this is the E, this is the Ne means you can write a Q, 3 by 5 rho g 4 whole power of 1 by 3, whole power of 1 by 3. 1 by 3. From that equation, V directly proportional R cube. V directly proportional R cube. Next E directly proportional R cube. Next BQ directly proportional R cube. Next EQ directly proportional R cube. From that equation, we are writing that equation. Okay, thank you very much. Today class is over. Tomorrow I will continue with this class.